Welcome to IBSuite. In this video, we will focus on how IBSuite's parameter framework empowers business users on their quest to define the future of insurance. In IBSuite, adding a parameter is much more than adding a simple string to a screen. With IBSuite's no-code, low-code design, you can master direct configuration of data fields and events with no coding or scripting. IBSuite allows you to define insure object types of any kind, custom data to be collected on a quote, policy, or claim and processed through standard workflows and rules. You can use all the data types that you would normally work with, including text, dates, list of values, booleans, or numbers of any kind. You can even use advanced lookups and interdependent values and create complex objects using a series of fields grouped into a data structure. No matter what data field you create, it automatically becomes GDPR or CCPA compliance enabled with a click of a button. All these values and structures can be configured as simple parameters or as a list containing multiple elements. And all this is done through simple configuration. No user interface or API development is required. The data fields and structures you create are immediately available in the UI and through IBSuite REST APIs. Finally, you can use event-based fields to trigger action events or react on input. IBSuite brings configurability to a whole new level, and it has been like this forever. Some would call this new. We call it proven. IBSuite, the proven next-generation cloud insurance platform.